Induction. What?
I read that.
Consider this your induction to RidgeMonkey.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
What you doing, Beverly?
Well, I'm making a toasted sandwich, Jez. But I thought, seeing as we've got our new RidgeMonkey Induction RidgeMonkey, I thought we'd try it because we haven't tried it yet.
Oh.
And I thought we would do that, and also we'll do one in the non-induction.
The old one.
The old one, which we do on the gas. So we're just going to do a toasty for you and a toasty for me, and one will go in one and one will go in the other, and we'll see if the results are the same.
Right.
Do you think that's a good idea? Obviously, I've got to make the sandwich first.
If you say so.
So it's just a sandwich. Everybody makes a sandwich. Everybody has whatever sandwich they like. We're having ham, cheese. Oh, I'm having tomato in mine.
So what's in the box?
You open the box while I make the sandwiches. It's safer for me to make the sandwich.
Usual. RidgeMonkey pouch.
Yeah.
Ooh. Shiny.
Shiny, yeah. It looks a bit shiny, doesn't it?
Yeah, the other one's a bit
well used.
used.
So does it look exactly the same from the outside? Would you like this one?
No.
So
This one's shiny.
Right, so that's the difference.
That's got riddles.
Yeah, it does, these are good. And then the inside is the difference.
Yeah.
Oh.
Usual tools and handles.
Yeah. And the inside is sparkly.
Different.
It is very much so. So that's the difference. The size is, we've got the same size one as what we use on the gas stove. That's that. I should carry on with my sandwich.
Very well.
Some cheese.
They're just the same, really.
Well, they should work exactly the same.
Apart from, obviously, this one.
Oops.
You can use on induction.
Right, yeah. So, obviously, we're doing it in the kitchen at home, but we do carry out an induction. What?
I read that.
Consider this your induction to RidgeMonkey.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. So, would you like tomato on yours or not?
No.
No,
Thank you.
I don't think so. But I shall have some tomato because I like tomato.
Ching.
So, one sandwich.
One induction RidgeMonkey.
Now,
Is that going to beep if I leave that on there?
no, it shouldn't be.
Oh.
So right, sometimes I do them like that, and sometimes I cook them.
Oh.
So I'm going to do a full.
Righto.
Okay.
Oh.
So I'm going to put one in here,
Put one in there.
and then I shall get the
Other one.
other one.
And put the other one in
I
there.
do always press it down quite thingy because obviously you're going to flip.
Yeah. So.
So there's the stove. I'll bring that over, move all the other bits out of the way. So there's that. Where are you going?
Let the dog out.
Oh, okay. I'll leave that. Right, so we're going to turn these on at the same time, see how long it takes to get to the same.
Racing RidgeMonkeys.
Something like that. So come on, you need to do the gas one.
Oh.
So I'm going to switch my electric one on.
Ready?
Yeah, wait a minute. I've just got to get it to a number. What number?
Ready?
Right, don't be stupid then, because I'm going to go for number 8.
I've got max.
You've gone max. Well, I'll go max then, which is number 9. So we're going max. We'll give it.
Timer.
Huh?
Have we got a timer?
Hey Siri, give me a minute on my timer. No, hey,
Ignoring you.
hey Siri, can you give me a minute, please?
Oh, it did it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it is 1 minute.
I don't know how long they usually take. How long do they usually take?
I don't know, because I just keep standing and watching and flipping and that, so I...
Alright, so I'm going to flip. It's cancelled. Why it's cancelled?
Why is it cancelled?
Siri's having issues again.
Hey Siri, can you give me a timer for 40 seconds? Thank you. So, after 40 more seconds, we'll flip.
Oh, so you're giving it a minute on each side?
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
Obviously, gas is usually quicker than electric, so.
But not induction.
But.
Normally.
What?
Induction's quicker than gas normally.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, obviously, gas is more instant than induction.
Oh.
But.
I don't know, because I don't cook.
Oh, I know.
Very often.
No, I know. People will want you to be honest now.
My cooking's very nice.
Stop.
Are we flipping?
And
Flip.
And that's quite, as you can see, that's quite toasty.
What's that one like?
That one's. Oh, yours is burnt.
See?
Ah.
Ah.
So the gas is quicker than the induction.
Oh.
So.
But the induction don't burn it.
No. So I'm going to turn the gas down. Otherwise, I can't remember which one's which, whether that one's yours or that one.
The one with tomato is yours.
Oh, well, I know, but I don't know which one is which. So.
No.
So now I'm just. I didn't do another minute, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, you see, it's quite.
Oh, yeah, very toasted.
It's very toasted. Whereas mine was lightly toasted. Look.
Or mine. Depending.
Yours.
That's got tomato in it, that's yours.
That's mine. So,
Oh, mine got burnt again.
who's got the burnt one? Well, everybody likes them done at a different rate, so shall we go flip again?
Are we flipping?
Yeah,
I don't
flip.
know.
Yeah.
Mine's burnt on that side.
Yeah. Well, flip it.
Yes, mama.
So look, it needs a bit longer.
Going back.
I'm going back again. Well, we didn't look at yours. Turn it back again. Just pay attention. Yeah, it's black. So.
I'm burnt on both sides.
Right, look now what you've done. Jez is totally. Oh, now he's set the alarm off.
Smoke alarm.
Smoke alarm.
So induction's better because it doesn't burn.
Yes. Induction's much better. Oh, now the dog's having a wappy. I've got to let the wind. Oh my God!
Now you're having a wappy.
Oh. Crash bang wallop balancing.
Professional videoing. Oh, there's the alarm alarm.
Has it happened? Alright then, so that's now more done. So the battery out.
No, won't do that.
You have switched that off. So yeah, so unfortunately Jez has got burnt off him. But that's his fault, not mine.
Again.
But maybe if
It's definitely toasted.
it's definitely toasted.
How's yours doing?
I'm going to have a look in a minute.
It's hot.
It's hot.
Well, it's steaming.
So I shall twist and turn. Yeah, but it's doing it nice.
Yours. Yours is much better.
Yeah.
That's not fair.
Yeah, but it's doing it. It's doing it better than on the gas.
So all in all.
Well, yeah, you're not going to have any catastrophes by burnt. You don't have burnt offerings with the induction hot one.
Well, you think so far.
Well, unless you get on your hands on it.
Rude.
But I would say, yeah, that's just now coming to how I like it.
So there you are.
A couple more minutes, or a couple more seconds.
Same tool, isn't it?
Same tool, yeah, I think.
Yeah.
Exactly the same tools.
Indeed.
Maybe that's flatter, that's shinier. That's a bit flatter.
Oh, different plastic.
Different
But
patch.
same thing.
Yeah, so, yeah.
So all in all, it's a thumbs up.
Yeah, I'll switch that off now. The induction hob is much better.
If you've got induction.
If you've got induction.
If you haven't got any induction on, don't make any difference.
What do you mean?
Well, yeah.
What are you talking about now?
I don't know.
No. So the difference is, one moment, I'll show you the final product. But, and plus, you know, we did have it on. So, yeah. Induction, gas, Jez's, induction.
What?
Induction on electric induction.
Ah.
That's what it is. But it is. It's an induction hob, so it's an induction.
And that's what we're having in the van, so.
Yeah, and that's what we're having in the van, so that works quite nicely.
So if you've got an induction hob, the induction RidgeMonkey works well.
Yes.
But if you haven't got an induction hob, stick with the gas.
Stick with the gas and turn it down to a low temperature.
Don't let me cook.
Don't let Jez on it because he just whacked it on full. Mind you, to be fair, that was on full pelt and that was on full pelt, so that didn't burn and that did.
Very well then.
So we can now go and eat these offerings, but we will spare you those.
Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.
Yeah, and yes, we shall enjoy the RidgeMonkey induction. Ta-da!